So yeah, Claude for Excel, pretty easy to get. Excel, all you do is come to this link and then just click add it to your Microsoft account. And once that's done, you can come up to the top here and you'll see a little Claude icon, which opens the side panel here. And once you're there, you just chat with it like anything. You can choose your model, or if you want to accept or ask before edits. And the cool thing is you can select certain cells and then it will just use that for the context which you're wanting to accomplish. So an example I have here is this is sales data and I want to build out dashboards for my sales so I understand the analytics versus paid and organic sales. And normally this would take a lot of time, but Claude can just whack this out real fast. So I'll write a prompt here. So as you can see, it's gotten the ASIN from the business report and sponsored products tabs and put it into a single row so we can understand total product sales, ad spend versus ROAS, and it's also given us some graphs to help understand ad spend versus total sales and some other cool things. Also gives us some recommendations, so top 10 products by ROAS and bottom 10 products by ROAS. So it's really good to be able to just grab two separate reports and just have them correlated together fast instead of doing this manually. And I mean, it's just like normal Claude code. So if you want this graph to be something else, just ask it. Or if you want it to generate another graph, just ask it. And yeah, it's amazing. And I've got a lot more use cases than this that I've been using it for, but this is just one of the cooler ones I wanted to show. So yeah, that's it for today. Cheers.